Now, let's see if we can do a good pizza with a beautiful ring in the Ariete 909. It's not a very expensive oven, actually quite the opposite. I think it's one of the cheapest ovens you can get. We paid around 100 euros, but when we got this, now it's even less. So I suppose that it's in the world of pizza ovens, it's quite accessible. I would suppose that if you are into getting a oven that is specific for pizza, this is the entry point. It's the one everybody would get to experiment, and it is limited in a lot of ways, but I really do think that you can get a very good pizza with it. And as you can see, it's not my first time opening a pizza, but I am not very skilled at it as well. So it is not very big. I have a 11-inch pizza, 10-inch pizza, more or less. This little oven cannot take more than this. So this is as wide as you can get. You will do with this oven, you will do an individual pizza only. But it is, and it makes a nice pizza, nice puffy pizza, I would say. It doesn't compromise much. Now, I don't have my pizza peel here today, but you can see that it's a very simple gadget to have. So, just a little bit of cheese. This is going to be a margherita, so very simple one, and that will be that. Now, let me get the peel. Two peels that come with the actual oven. They are included in the price. They are stainless steel, and here you have it. This is it. Now, come with me this way and you will see it. There it is. You have to leave a little bit of space in order for the oven not to crush it, and then you close it. Another thing that I like to do, take anything that you have in your kitchen, and a little bit later on, you will have to open it just a little bit like that, in order to make sure that it doesn't burn the ring, because the ring will inflate a little bit, and it could touch the heating component. So at this point, as you can see, the pizza is almost ready. So we have a margherita, and we have a beautiful ring. Ooh, almost lost it. That would have become a meme. So as you can see, the bottom is perfectly cooked. You have a beautiful ring on the side. So I love this. This looks great. And at this point, you would get just a couple of leaves of basil, and to finish it, and that would be done. Of course, this is just a simple pizza, a simple oven, and that will be that. Now, I am very happy, of course, with a 100 euro oven. You have to make a few compromises, of course, but this looks like a pretty neat pizza. I love this. And well, I hope you can take the best out of this oven, because it is quite a nice gadget to have. It's really budget friendly, and you can get very nice pizzas. So buon appetito. If you like this video, remember to subscribe, like the video, and comment below. Do you think that this is a nice pizza to have? Do you think it's worth the 100 euro? So that is that. Bye bye.